inch advantage. Here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC light heavyweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner.
You ready to fight? Ready.
We are underway. Opens up with a front kick. Finds a home for that left hook.
Hurt him with that uppercut. Oh!
Well, he eats a punch to the head there, Joe, and he would be wise to get his head off of that center line. It's almost as if he's moving straight into that punch.
He counters with a huge left hand. Beautiful hook. Oh, he missed that kick. Oh, head kick. Oh! Oh!
He's got him hurt here. Oh, straight right.
Vicious combinations.
Silva gets hit with a kick. That looked like it hurt.
Wow! He is stumbling. Body kick, look at that. He's been landing a lot of uppercuts in this fight. They could be a big factor.
Yes, I'd agree with you there, Joe. That uppercut has been there early enough.
Oh, he got hurt. He's trying to stay up.
Oh!
Back to his feet again. Amazing.
Oh! And just like that, the fight is over.
Now here is the big uppercut that led to the knockout. He had been throwing that uppercut throughout the fight, but this last one was the one that led to the KO.
Yeah, Joe, just an absolutely gorgeous shot to spell the end for his opponent. Crowd is absolutely loving it. He gets the near-perfect land. I'm not even sure his opponent saw it coming, but just the way he drew it up here tonight, saw that little crack of an opening and barged right through it to get the knockout.
Let's see it one more time.
And there he is after the huge knockout turned in tonight. Near-perfect execution and one of the bigger highlights of his UFC career.